Hey guys, so as you hopefully already know, I want to build a computer. So on my website, I've already made a video about this. I have in my navigation on adrianlyson.com, I have a page how to build a computer. So I want to build a computer, and I'm pretty sure right now I want to build like a gaming PC that is gonna cost around 600 or six to 800 bucks. Okay, so when you go to how to build a computer thoughts here, I've been typing out some stuff here, and also I want to thank all of you guys that's been voting when I've been asking what kind of price range you want to see. And when we look at the votes here at the poll result from poll code, we can see we have 45 votes, and actually a lot of people here want to see a expensive computer build around $1,000, and then some people want to see a cheap one. But I also see that it's a lot of people here that want to see around $700 to $800 computer build. So I've been looking a little bit more into this. I mean, of course, I'm inspired by Duncan's videos on how to build a gaming PC for $500 and all those. And I really want to do this. You know, I really want to pull off. So I've been typing out some stuff here. I've been getting two guys that's been, or actually more people that has been writing emails or inbox messages to me on YouTube saying when they built their own kind of build, what kind of parts they did use and all those good things. So I have been typing out right now the current build that I'm looking to build right now. And the processor is probably going to be some kind of Intel Core one. I want to really build an Intel, computer. I'm going to sell my Core i7 build right now from last year, last year, of course. That one did have Core i7 and stuff like that, so I have experience with computers and stuff. And I saw Duncan when he built his gaming PC for around 600 bucks. He used the Core i3, and I'm pretty sure that Core i3, that's kind of like a low end. So I think that I will go with the Intel Core i5 processor instead of a Core i3. I've been typing out Core i3 here, but I'm pretty sure that for 100 bucks more, we will pick a Core i5 instead. Core i7, that's a little bit too much hardcore, but Core i5 should be perfect for gaming, and it's quad core, and I'm sure if it's coming, I don't know the different variants like 3330. I'm not sure if they have hyper threading, but if they do, you will of course see 8 threads in Windows, and that's awesome, The PSU, is maybe this Corsair 430 watts, because I don't think they will need more for this kind of mid-range or computer, around 700, 800 bucks or 600. The graphic card right now, I really want to pick up an Nvidia card. I'm more of an Nvidia guy right now. With my current PC right now, I have the GTX 580 graphic card, but of course I will sell that PC. That card's kind of hard to get right now, and that's kind of like a high-end card. So I think that we're gonna go with something like GTA 650 Ti or the GTX 650 card. And I'm not sure how they stand in our compared to Radeon 7850, but I really want to go here with Nvidia card, because I also heard that if you want to change to Linux and run that instead, it's easier with Nvidia card, so that's awesome. Now the chassis that I've been looking at is an NZXT H2 Classic Silent one that is so super sexy, and it's silent and it has a nice design. I really like the design, I really want something that looks beautiful, and I really like it because it has two fans. First, it should be kind of silent, and you can see it's so sexy, and you have USB 3.0 on some normal basic stuff there at the top, and also power on button, but it looks really sexy. You have two fans here, and the thing here that makes the computer not that loud. Of course, that is awesome. I assume that's like two 120 millimeter fans there, and then of course you have a big, probably 200 millimeter fan there at the top, and then you can also use like a hard drive here at the top. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. And then if we continue on, I really don't want to use micro ATX cards because I hate them. If you want to upgrade in the future, it sucks, okay? So I want to use like the motherboard, an MSI motherboard like the B75A G43. If we take a look at it over here, we can see that you get one PCI Express 3.0 and one PCI Express 2.0. Maybe it would be more awesome if you had two PCI Express 3.0. So I might pick a motherboard like that instead, so you can in the future maybe upgrade to have dual graphic cards there rocking a PCI Express 3.0. And then you get to PCI Express 2.0, and I'm really not sure. I'll have to look more into this. I'm not sure if cards like cards that cost around $200. If you have two dual cards there, do they only use PCI Express 2.0, and these new PCI Express 3.0s that only for extremely new high-end cards? I don't know, but I have to probably take a little bit more of a closer look into that. RAM is probably going to be 8 gigabytes. 4 gigabyte is a little bit low right now, and I use 16 gigabyte in my build, so Crucial 8 gigabytes clocked at 1300 megahertz, what I'm having right now on the website. And then Windows 7, I hate Windows 8, and for gaming, especially for gaming, Windows 7, that's going to be the dope. 64 gigabyte, of course. So quick little roundup here of what I'm looking at right now. What do you think? Do you think this is awesome? Do you think this sucks? Well, you can type your opinions down below. And until next time, have an awesome day. And tomorrow we get some awesome videos because I have a new phone. Yeah, so I know I could be a little bit annoying with my voice, but yeah, peace out.